Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hamburger burritos. First, let's get started with our main ingredient, the ground beef. You'll want to brown about 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat until it's fully cooked through. Remember to drain any excess grease to keep things light. Then, season it generously with about 1 teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and garlic powder to build a flavorful base for our burritos. Now that our beef is perfectly seasoned, it's time to create that irresistible hamburger burrito filling. In a bowl, combine your cooked ground beef with about 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, which will melt beautifully. Next, fold in 1/2 cup of finely diced onions and 1/4 cup of chopped pickles for that essential burger crunch. Finish by mixing in 2 tablespoons of ketchup and 1 tablespoon of mustard to capture that authentic hamburger taste. With our delicious filling ready, let's move on to rolling these beauties. First, gently warm 8 large flour tortillas for about 30 seconds each, making them much easier to fold without tearing. Lay a tortilla flat and place approximately 1/2 cup of your hamburger filling slightly off-center. Fold in the 2 opposite sides of the tortilla, then tightly roll it up from the bottom, ensuring all the delicious contents are securely tucked inside. Repeat for all 8 burritos. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your amazing hamburger burritos. Heat a lightly oiled skillet over medium heat. Place your rolled burritos seam side down and pan-fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and the cheese inside is wonderfully melted and gooey. Serve these delightful creations immediately with your favorite hamburger toppings, perhaps some extra special sauce or fresh shredded lettuce. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.